Okay, so I'm a little late to the charts today. Market's been open for about an hour and a half, and my bias is short, but I want to watch a little bit and see. So let's just figure it out. We could be bottoming out here for just a little bit. We could go from these 920s maybe back towards 20,000. Just was so red. Don't want to go counter trend. Take a step short. The ATR on the 2-minute chart right now is almost 28 points. So this could do it if we get the push down. Got a minute and a half left on the 5-minute. This was a bit of a chasing entry, but it's an evaluation, so we'll take that chance. If not, we'll wait for another setup and try again, get more points. Yeah, I don't like that strength right now. Wow, within the tick. Get a little more room, but we'll also try and get more of this down. Something I've struggled with is after a big move has happened, you try and get a continuation of it, but it's already done a really big move. And so at best you chop, but at worst, this is where it gets a base and reverses and you're just chasing something that already happened. New 5-minute now. It's either gonna go right through these wicks and just push up here, or we're gonna get our move down. Flirting with my entry. Add one more. If it will add. There's probably some resistance here at the 900 level. Yeah, I don't like that it did the quick wick down and now it's turning back. Go ahead and tighten this up. Yeah, just shy of 900. We are with trend, so let's just hold and see. I try and keep my trades at least 1-to-1, otherwise the math doesn't work, so I don't think I did that exactly right here by widening my position. I think we could get the wick down here. And honestly, probably more. You can see it come all the way down to the 70s, 970s down here again. If it takes a long time to do the move, I usually cut just because that might mean that we're going to chop or that we're going to retrace back before we continue the move down. Which on an evaluation is tricky because you don't want your trailing drawdown to move too much. I'm trading small size, so it's not that big of a deal. Just something to be aware of when you're trading. Looks like we hit about 15 points at our peak here from this new added entry. First entry was higher. I probably don't want to hold this for the next 5-minute candle. Here we go. We break these lows though, come on. Calm down. If we hit this, we'll get over 30 points with our 3 cons. Well, about 30 points, I guess. Oh, within a wick or a tick. It's gonna push. Oh, there we go. I almost moved it myself, but it came and hit it. Let's come see. Yeah. Bit of a spread there because I marketed into the trade, but we did okay. And now, I mean, here we go, high 70s or low 70s here. There's a real chance we run this down and we at least see some kind of movement down to 850. But that's okay, I'm out. I'm gonna wait for the next one. I actually ended up taking 2 more trades. One was a losing short, and then I waited a little bit longer, and I took another winning short. And for my P&L, I ended up right around the same place that I had done after the first trade. So I was 2 for 3, got to keep the same P&L. So that little screenshot I included of the end of the day is pretty accurate. I mean, it is accurate, it's just that I didn't show those other 2 trades because that's a lot of editing and wouldn't show tons more value. Last thing before we go, I wanted to show off my new trading calendar that I've been working on. It's called Trader Stats. It has a free plan, so if you want to try it out for free and just see what it's about, you can. If we come inside the app and we go to add trades, we can click and add our CSV, which I've already exported from today, as well as day 1 of the challenge. So this has day 1 and day 2 of our 50K challenge. Then I can come over here to calendar and we can see our trades from today. So if I come in here, I can see the first trade I took, that's this peak, did pretty well. Then I took that second loser, which gave away a lot of the gains, and then came back and 3rd time's the charm, got right back to the peak. So I'm really happy about that. I feel like my emotions were really good. I wasn't scared, I used small size, so there's nothing to be afraid of. I didn't keep my rules perfectly though, so I gotta say no, I didn't keep the rules. I moved my stop loss, and I don't like doing that. That leads to just a lot of suffering trading. So even in evals, I don't want to be doing that much. Then down here, you can track the trades on TradingView. This isn't working yet because right now the trading day's not closed. We don't have the trading data yet. But if I go back to September to the trade from day 1, I can come down here and I can plot, that was my first losing trade. I tried to short when I should have longed, and then, about 10 minutes later, I got long from that same level and caught some points. If we change the time frame, we can see this pretty well. But yeah, this is Trader Stats. You can journal, track your trades, you can plot them, and we have a dashboard too. This is for the pro plan. But this will tell you lots of just important stats about your trading, your average winners and losers, your win rate, time in trades, risk to reward. All of the things that you care about are going to be in here. We include the news. So there's just lots of good things in here. And this is my solo printer project, so it's just me building this. I'm a dev and a trader, and I just want to build the tool that I want to have. And I feel like some of the competitors were really expensive for what they were. So I wanted to build something that was just as useful but super affordable. So free plan for people who want to use one account. If someone like me trades lots of prop firm accounts, then you can upgrade to pro. It's really affordable. If you want to do the annual plan, it's $19 a month paid annually. And I'm going to drop a discount in here just for YouTube watchers. So if you put in YouTube 15 at checkout, you can get 15% off that plan. Anyway, I hope this was interesting. I'm excited to get through this challenge and to fund these accounts and then work towards payout. See you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.